Hello everybody, this is Sean here at Rush Peterbilt, Orlando, Florida. Gonna do a quick video today on this 2021 Peterbilt 567 mixer truck. Walk around here. This is a Florida Spec truck, tandem axle, 10.5 yard legal truck. So no need for the lift axle on here. It's got a PX9 Paccar engine to keep the weight light. Get your full payload in that drum. Allison automatic, McNeilus mixer, Hendrickson Hallmax suspension, 46 rears. You can see here, really good looking truck. Just want to let you guys know we are your one-stop shop for all concrete mixers. You need anything spec'd out any specific way, we can handle it. Peterbilt 567 mixer truck, Florida Spec. Dual high back seats, Allison automatic, 3-stage engine brake. Super nice truck, power windows and locks. Feel free to reach me on my cell phone, 804-516-6212, 804-516-6212. Rush Truck Center, Orlando, Florida, 1925 West Princeton Street. Thank you.